Hi guys, Kim here with Paytas Homes. Welcome back. Today I just wanted to take a quick New York minute to show you this beautiful Ashbourne floor plan. This happens to be one of the second most popular footprints that is being built here in the Coastal Gardens community by Paytas Homes. It is a 1,806 square foot home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath with a beautiful study. This one in particular does have a 3rd car courtyard entry garage, but it does typically come with 2 car courtyard, or we can make it into a 2 car front yard entry garage. But come along with me, we'll take a look. Before I get in there, I do want to let you know that pavers are included in every one of our homes. Paytas Homes does have a concrete block construction. Quality all the way. Here, your yard is fully sodded with St. Augustine grass, decorative palm trees, decorative plantings, rainbird irrigation for your sprinkler system, along with drip systems for your plants. Come on in here. Let's take a look at this beautiful footprint. I'm just going to show you a quick little peek. 8-foot tall door as you come in. Is this the perfect size home? I am just going to point out, look at that beautiful ceiling. And here, the decorative arches, only Paytas Homes does that. And then check out the chamfered edges. Paytas Homes does that. Look at this beautiful layout. 2 bedrooms and the bathrooms over here. This does accommodate a queen size bed. Bathroom, shower tile, floor to ceiling. Here we have a sun tunnel. That's natural light coming in here. And then we've got the other bedroom. Come take a look. Look at the great room. The kitchen cafe, and of course the kitchen area. Well-born wood cabinets are included in every one of our homes with soft close on the doors and the drawer. Look at this beautiful study. Nice big window in there. Plenty of room. Come on, let's take a look. I got something special to show you here. Over here, it is a little cabinet with a computer top, or you can make it as a coffee bar. Some of my homeowners actually made it into a wine bar. Utility room. All of them come with a slop sink and the ventilated shelvings. This little guy, I'm going to show you in my garage. Oops, I just bumped it open. This little thing up here, we've got redesigned trusses for heavier weight loads. We've made up what we call a Florida basement. Trusses are designed to handle heavier loads. We've got a 30-inch stairs, and then there's plywood decking pretty much all on the top of the ceiling there underneath, so you can have some storage. And then of course there's a light under there. This garage, forgive me, it's a little bit messy, but my boys work. They're hard workers. They're getting the jobs done. And then last but not least, 2 little things I want to show you. Look at this beautiful, beautiful view. Beautiful water, tree lines, green grass, standard lanai that's covered. And then last but not least, the master bedroom. Look at this baby. So all of our homes can accommodate a pool. You can work with a pool contractor after you close on your house, or you could do it during the build construction. But look at this bedroom. King size bed here. And the view. So this house is actually a model home, and it is being sold on what we call a leaseback. Give the office a call. We're happy to talk more about it and show you actually in person. The phone number is 386-439-9771. And then the master closet. Super big ventilated wires, shelving, 10-foot ceilings. Here is the card. We are located at 208 Hawthorne Avenue for our models. We do have 2 fully furnished models. Visit us today, Coastal Gardens. Email us, coastalgardens@paytashomes.com, or give us a call, 386-439-9771. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks for following me around.